He did come back last night. He came back early too. We got him, and I definitely checked the camera just to make sure there was nothing standing outside the trap before I pulled up. So it had me a little nervous just because I think he's a pretty good sized boar. And yeah, I had the one week before last, 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, it got out on me. So I was watching. I assume this is all his rooting here. Oh, there he goes. There's several groups of hogs on the property, so the plan will be we'll reset this trap. He's a good pig. We'll reset this trap and leave it for a few more days, just to see if we pick up any stragglers like this. And if not, then we'll move the feeder to another piece of the property and see if we can get pick up some pigs over there and start the whole process over again. So let's get him done. Ladies and gentlemen, he's a big boar hog. Probably one of the biggest ones I've caught. He got some cutters, but you can see kind of busting them up, jumping into the fence. That's a good catch there. He shired many a litter. And we got something, huh? We are back in traction on the water line. I don't know how these suckers keep getting through those belials like that. We're gonna get him dispatched. And look on the screen, is it red? Is there a red dot on the screen?
Yes.
That means you're recording.
So we got a sign today. You know what it is? It's a beaver. My dad talked.
Got him.
Yeah. But anyway, that fat fella. But you see, the blood comes out because we just shoot it.
That's right.
You don't catch it at it real. That would be hard.
They can see you. All right, let's turn it off and go to the truck. You gotta mash the button. Hold on.
I know.
Put it back up. Well, we got schooled on that one. This was the remake where I caught the coyote, and I staked the deer hit the hide behind the trap, and so just blew in and rolled my grass over into the trap, which I was a little bit worried about it because the trap is in such a depression. So outfoxed by the fox, huh?
Don't come at me. I was right.
You were right.
Yeah,
this trap was snapped.
Show it to me.
I believe it was a gray fox, probably our mate.
Hey, show it to me. I knew it would take it up. But Daddy didn't know.
Get out of here, boy.
I promise I did.
The other trap, this is where I caught the gray fox, and I got plenty of bait down that hole and all, so hopefully you'll be curious enough to come back and check it out tomorrow.
I am I see nothing.
Well, this set finally produced. It's been driving me nuts.
Wait, do we have some?
Yeah, that it hadn't been doing anything, but it was definitely on a drag. And if I hadn't have seen all of the pine boughs down there, the pine needles, I would have struggled a little bit more to figure out what it was.
But do you know what it is?
Yeah, you see it, it's look in the tree.
I don't see nothing.
Look in the tree, look up.
How high?
Look right there.
A raccoon?
Yeah.
You got that?
We got him. And I don't know, you can see the darn drags right up underneath him. He didn't wrap that thing up good. That's one thing that I've been thinking about. It's weird that I don't catch This might be the first raccoon I've caught off this property. I know they're out here.
Yes, we did. Got this first time here.
Is it?
At this first winter.
How about that?
Hey, Dad, is it real?
Yeah, it's real, bud.
What?
I've really been disappointed in these sets. I've had, in the past when I've trapped here, I've had gray foxes, coyotes, bobcats. I ain't had nothing this go around. And I laid off it last year. I didn't trap out here last year.
But last year we were right there and we took Chandler and we ate some kind of cookies.
Yeah, we did, didn't
That
we?
was a good day.